Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming what your PC actually outputs and what each monitor accepts. Check the GPU or integrated graphics for HDMI, DisplayPort, DVI, or VGA ports, and note their capabilities. Once done, match each monitor's resolution and refresh rate to the ports you'll use, and collect required cables and adapters. Passive versus active adapters matter for high resolution. Make sure you have a powered USB hub or DisplayPort MSD hub if multiple displays need one physical output. Next, map monitors to specific outputs and choose the best method. Direct multiple GPU outputs, DisplayPort daisy chain using MSD or USB-C/Thunderbolt alternate mode. Install or update GPU drivers and motherboard chipset drivers so the OS recognizes multi-display setups. Then connect one monitor at a time and power them on. This helps Windows or Mac OS detect them in sequence. If using adapters, use active adapters for DisplayPort to HDMI at higher resolutions, and set the correct input on each monitor. Finally, you configure display positions and choose a primary display in Windows or Mac OS display settings, then set each monitor's resolution, scaling, and refresh rate to match capabilities. Once configured, save color profiles and test with video or window dragging to confirm alignment. If something fails, try swapping cables and ports, update monitor firmware and GPU firmware if available, and test each monitor individually to isolate the issue. This single troubleshooting tip often reveals faulty cables or incorrect adapter type.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.